and then I immediately left with 3 ladies. Then later, coming back after a few hours, finding that Jeff is not in the house and the others are there, I am the one who actually went with them to the police station to report that Jeff is missing. Then there is also this other issue that is going on. Inapita kila mahali inasema, I didn't mourn the demise of Jeff. I reached out. Hata mimi tu ndo mwenye niliambia familia yao about Jeff is no more. And I actually contacted them and told them I would have supported them, wazike mtoto wao na tushikanie na wao, because it was something that hata mimi inanihuzunisha. So I reached an extent nikaona sipati response venye nafaa nipate. I told my mother, can you please call one of the family members and request them wakubali tushirikiane nao, because this is something new to me. There's no way I can lose a friend and fail to mourn them. So with that, I'll just want to say to the family, maybe Mama Jeff hakufikishiwa ripoti, maybe hakuambiwa nataka tupatane, but what I can say is that we reached out to an extent that my mommy called them. But on the other issue is that Mimi, I am so willing to cooperate with the detectives, DCI, and kila mtu mwenye ako hapo hivyo. I'm ready to cooperate until sisi wote tujue what happened to Jeff. God bless you so much. And for Kenyans and my fans, keep on praying for me. This thing is so hard, but we will emerge victorious. God bless.
Could you please just quickly clarify how you knew Jeff?
Jeff, I've known Jeff for 2 years. He was selling shoes to me, and I've bought like so many pairs of shoes from Jeff since 2021. And then all I can say is that he could tell me once I used to go to his shop, the way you see these interiors, it's me who've made this. So I always knew if I want to set up something of the sort, Jeff could have done it for me. That's all. Thank you.
Aya, tuarudie na Gikuyu. Tuaje na DJ and then tuke kule.
Eroreri na mashabiki makwa kana ari matari mashabiki makwa nijitagwo Jobona wa Wagura kana DJ Fatxo. Ugo kurerekana mweri wa 22 February nima nitwari na Jeff na nitwathire mucii nake. No nie ngiuma ngimatigana kazini yakwa na ngimatigana ndereba wakwa. Nie ngiuma na iretu atatu kuria ndacokire thutha wa mathaa o maigana ona matanyihiire matatu. Ndacoka nyumba ni ndakorire riu ni ndacoka tondu ndingire munogereru ngithie ngikoma ndokira uguo ngakora imwana cire igire ciuria kai mwana keko Jeff eko riria ndaigure ni marorania ciuria uguo ngimera yehe tuthii borithi ni tuthii tukandikithie statement tondu ni mukuga mwana weneko ngigithie ngiandikithia statement na niguo hau uguo hwaini riria togi confirm ire ati ni man Jeff tondu nani ndieciragia uguo tondu ni urageri kwira hakiri ngaiteithie gutigakorwo niu no riria twikorire ati ni Jeff ni no ni ndakinyeirie family yao report ya ati mwana wao ni ahurukire na ahuruka na njira itaramenyeka na njira ya kiriga njira irio nani mwenye ndĩrenda kumenya. So kuma hau uguo nigoretwo ngĩigua nenda-inĩ cikiuga ati ndiamonire na family ungiaga kuheo report to tariu ni ndamaririe. I spoke to them ngimera ni ndirahoya tunyitanire na inyu akihura thimu citanyihiire thimu 8 ndirahura thimu rita after rita ndirahura yani thimu nyingi nginya gikinya handu ngiona tondu niona ni ndire na thayo wa ngoro ngira muciari wakwa riwe mami ngimwira mami ni fati uhurire mundu thimu kana ndo ya thimu niguo magie na hingo ya gwitikira twaranirie na niguo tunyitanire. Ni ndari willing tunyitanire mathiko-ini na ndima support uringia hotire ni gukorwo Jeff ni murata wakwa. No riria communications ciakiagire ona mathiko gukiaria ma ndingiagithire tondu ndikiwe ngibangirwo kiriku ndingikirire nenda-ini ciakwa tondu uria kurerikana tiguo gukiri. So uria ndekire ni ndakirire ki until undu uyu raumirire tondu undu uyu wari na investigate kuri aria magikaga uthuthuria wao na thaici tondu ni urakioirwo ni uthuthuria mweru. Turetikia thirikari ina hinya ona nini ndirenda kumenya niki gekikire Jeff to inywe a Kenya murenda kumenya na family. Yes nyina Jeff na okorwo ndakinyeirio horo no korwo nderirwo nĩ ndendaga kũmuona but niĩ nĩ ndehoire na gĩtĩo nginya mami witũ akĩgora thimũ nĩ ndĩrenda kũmuona so ke tweterere ũthuthuria wĩkwo kĩrĩa tũkwenda gũkirĩrĩria kũmwĩra macambĩki maitũ mũhoere na mũhoere ngoro ĩno mũno tondũ ti kaũndũ kahũthũ no nĩtũkumĩra. Thank you. Good. Asante.
Tunakupatia model ya ripoti. Gari la hizi moto. Wewe